Turn the handle counterclockwise to open. Place the ring on top and line up the slots, and then twist until it locks in place. Fully open the bag inside the pail. Tuck in the top of the bag inside the ring slots. The bag is be on top of the ring. And make sure the bag clearly touches the base of the pail like shown here. Put the lid on the pail and slowly twist the lid clockwise to lock. Make sure there are no parts of bag sticking out of the pail. Always keep the lid in open position to avoid odor escaping.